and welcome to the Warner Library tutorial page. In this video, we will go over how to save your searches, as well as create saved lists of materials in the library's online catalog. Let's get started. First, go to the online catalog, found here on the library's website. Once there, log into your library account. Use your student ID as the username, and the last 4 digits of that same number as the PIN. Please refer to our related video on logging into your library account for more information. You can then do a basic search by typing your search terms or go into advanced search. Please see our related video about searching the online catalog on our tutorial website. Any terms that you put in the search box can then be saved in your online account using the Save Search link located here. You'll then see a pop-up window asking you what terms you'd like to save. Click the Save button to finish the process. A green bar will appear at the top of the page to tell you your search terms have been saved. If you click into your library account, you can see all of your saved searches here under the Save Searches tab. From here, you can redo the search by clicking the links. You can also save anything you find in a search to a list within your account. Click on the Add to List button next to any item that you want to add. From here, you can add to an existing list or create a new one. Name the list whatever you want, then click Save. A green bar will appear at the top of the page to let you know your item has been added. You can then see all of the items in your list in the library account under this tab Saved Lists. From here, you can check the availability of the items in the list, place them on hold, or even print the entire list out. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. To see more videos, check out our YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to contact the library staff for additional assistance.